In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to resize a layer in Photoshop using two simple and effective methods. Whether you're resizing images, text, logos, or graphics, knowing how to properly scale a layer is one of the most essential skills in Photoshop. I'll walk you through the fastest method using Free Transform, and then I'll show you an alternative method using the Transform menu. By the end of this video, you'll be able to resize any layer confidently and without distorting your design. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Photoshop project and head over to the Layers panel. Make sure you select the specific layer you want to resize. This is very important because Photoshop will only transform the currently selected layer. If nothing seems to be happening when you try to resize, it's usually because the wrong layer is selected. Now let's go over method 1, which is the fastest and most commonly used method, Free Transform. With your layer selected, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard if you're on Windows, or Command+T if you're on a Mac. As soon as you press that shortcut, you'll see a bounding box appear around your layer. This box has small handles on the corners and sides. To resize the layer, click and drag one of the corner handles. Dragging inward will make the layer smaller, and dragging outward will make it larger. If you're using an older version of Photoshop and want to keep the proportions locked so your image doesn't stretch, hold down the Shift key while dragging a corner. In newer versions of Photoshop, proportions are locked by default, so you usually don't need to hold Shift unless you want to distort it intentionally. If you drag from the side handles instead of the corners, you can stretch the layer horizontally or vertically. This can be useful for creative effects, but be careful because it can distort images. Once you're happy with the new size, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the changes. If you change your mind and want to cancel, just press the Escape key instead. That's it for the fastest method. You can access this tool in just seconds using the keyboard shortcut, which is why most professionals rely on Free Transform daily. Now let's take a look at method 2, which is resizing using the transform option from the menu bar. This method is great if you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts. Again, start by selecting the layer you want to resize in the Layers panel. Next, go to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, hover over Transform and then choose Scale. As soon as you click Scale, you'll see the same bounding box appear around your selected layer. Just like before, click and drag the corner handles to resize proportionally, or drag the side handles to adjust width or height independently. Take your time adjusting the size until it looks exactly how you want it. When you're finished, press Enter to confirm and apply the transformation. And that's it. Those are the two easiest ways to resize a layer in Photoshop. The Free Transform shortcut is the fastest method, while the Edit menu option gives you a more guided approach if you prefer clicking through menus. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you're resizing images frequently, consider converting your layer into a smart object before scaling. This helps preserve image quality when resizing multiple times. I hope this tutorial made resizing layers in Photoshop simple and clear. If it did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.